my name is Favor. Welcome to my channel. Today we have a Sips by box. Okay, so let's get started. You guys know I love my hot beverages. Be it coffee or tea, it doesn't matter to me. I love them both. And usually every night in the evening when I'm finally done working, I've settled down for the day, I'm snuggling up on the couch with my husband. Either we're gonna watch TV or we're just gonna catch up on YouTube or whatever the case may be. I have a cup of tea next to me. I love this box. I love it. You guys have seen me travel with it, with the contents in the box. I take it with me on my cruises. I've taken it with me just to Florida trips, in hotel rooms, at home. It doesn't matter. I love the tea in this box. And I also appreciate that as I'm using it, I'm writing it down. I'm remembering the ones. You can also reference back in the app, on the Facebook page, the ones that they've sent you. I go back, I'm saving them up so I can give them as gifts. At Christmas time, birthdays, somebody's moving into a dorm, somebody's moving into their first apartment. This is just a nice box. Okay, so let's get into how much it is. I'm so excited about it. Okay, so it's 4 different teas per month, enough for 15 plus cups. So if it's tea bags, you typically get 4 or 5 tea bags, and it's $15 a month. And with my code FAVOR5, you get $5 off your first box. It's fantastic. The teas are all high quality. I have never received a tea I did not like. You take a quiz, and I'm gonna pop that quiz up right here, somewhere on this screen, maybe in front of me, I don't know where. I'm gonna show you a scroll through of the quiz so you can see the in-depth questions that they ask to really get to know the types of tea that you prefer, so that they are sure to send you teas that you enjoy drinking. Now, I have chosen for them to send me all teas, because I want to try different teas. You know, that way I don't have to invest when I'm out at the store and I see a full box of tea. I don't really have to invest the $6.99 or $15.99, depending upon the tea, in a full box of a tea that I may or may not like. So I just think this is a great way to really get to know different types of teas and try them out and enjoy them. Many of the teas you can brew more than once. I often do. Even if it says you're not supposed to, or it's not best to do that, I do it anyway because I double brew. Okay, so let's see what's in here. Now this box is customized to what you like based on your quiz. Look at that. I love it. Absolutely love it. Okay, this is my August tea box. So it says sipsby.com, hashtag sipsbybox. Oh my goodness. So these are made just for me. Life with Favor. All right, so the first tea, let me show you. Whoops, I'm throwing everything everywhere. Let me show you. We're gonna talk about their tea bags very quickly because I really like them once we get to them. Okay, so the first one we have is Jasmine Green. You hear my kitty running around everywhere. She's our senior kitty, and we let her do whatever she wants because she is a senior. She's very comical at this point. Okay, so this is jasmine tea. Look, 1 bag per 8 ounces of water, 175 degrees, Fahrenheit, steep 2 to 3 minutes. Organic, fair trade, certified green tea scented with organic jasmine blossoms. I'm probably gonna really like this. And this one doesn't, oh, yes it does. Okay, so it'll tell you the caffeine type. So this one is a low caffeine. Green tea is blended with freshly picked jasmine blossoms, which are removed after imparting their floral essence. The delicately sweet taste and aroma offer instant enlightenment. And there's also a code. So if you decide to purchase the full size of these, there is a code. So yummy. I am very excited about trying those. And that's what I like, the low caffeine. I can have them in the evening. I like that. And you get a choice. You can select the caffeine level that you want, or you can select them all, which is what I did. Okay, so this one is Yupon Brothers American Green Yupon. Ooh, I'm gonna like this. 1 teaspoon per 8 ounce water. So in other words, it's a stronger tea. I love weak and strong teas. It doesn't matter. I love them all. 212 degrees Fahrenheit. High caffeine. Yupon is America's native caffeinated herb that provides an antioxidant boost and smooth, jitter-free energy. It has been enjoyed by Floridians for thousands of years. And another coupon offered. Oh, I'm gonna love this. Now, you see this is a packet of tea. There's several servings in here. They also send you their tea bags. This itself is a tea bag. You just you know, pull this little sticker, it comes right off. And it's reusable, but also in here are their tea bags. I love these tea bags. I love them. So they do not sell them on their website, but they liked that suggestion. So maybe they will at some point. We will see. If they do, I'm going to buy them in bulk because I really like them. I have double brewed, triple brewed with those tea bags and they don't break down on me. And I really appreciate that. So I really like that. So you just use the tea bags that they include in your box to brew your tea. So you don't have to worry about needing anything extra. Everything you need is right in this box, and I see something next I'm gonna love. So there you go. This is Yupon tea. I'm going to love this. I love green tea, black tea. I love tea. I don't think there's a tea I'm not super fond of. Okay, so sweet tea. I don't like sweet tea. Naturally sweetened tea, like that makes it sort of sweet from what it's, that doesn't bother me, but I don't add sugar to my tea. I like my tea bitter and my coffee sweet. That's just who I am. Here's another one. I'm excited about this one. British breakfast, the Republic of Tea. Oh, I've wanted to try a Republic of Tea. I haven't tried them yet. High caffeine. British breakfast black tea, sips by the Republic of Tea. Whoops. 1 bag per 8 ounces of water, 212, steep 5 to 7 minutes. Black tea from Assam, Darjeeling, and Africa. Ooh, that's gonna be good. High caffeine, a robust blend of quality black leaves, hearty enough to make any Brit smile. A savory mixture of Indian, Sri Lankan, and Kenyan leaves is great with a splash of milk. So I've always wanted to try my tea with milk, but I've never really found a tea strong enough to do that. So I will try that with this one. We're gonna have to see, because I follow other British channels who are over in the UK, and I love to watch them make their tea, drink their tea. I'm curious about it, and I've always wanted to try it. But like I said, you need a stronger tea, in my opinion, for that. So I can't wait to try this. Yes, okay. In fact, that may be the tea we brew here in just a second. Ooh, David's tea. I like David's tea. Oh, I am going to love this tea. Look at that. Oh, organic cinnamon Rubios chai. Am I saying that right? Is it Rubios? Rubus? I don't know. I say Rubios. Rubus. Whatever, we're just gonna laugh at me and it's just gonna say it wrong. Maybe if you know how to pronounce it phonetically in the comments for me, please do, politely. Please don't be mad at me, I'm trying. I love this. I really, really do. So organic, I've never had it, but I know I'm gonna love it because this is the kind of blend that, oh, so good. Organic cinnamon Rubio sips by David's Tea. 1 teaspoon. This is probably, if it's only a teaspoon, you're talking 10 cups of coffee in here. You would have to be. I mean, that's a big bag of tea. Okay. Caffeine free. Oh, yay! That means night times are gonna be delicious. Rubios and cinnamon are a powerhouse combination. Cinnamon enhances your ability to concentrate, and Rubios is super hydrating and bursting with vitamins and minerals. You can get 20% off with the code. All of them actually come with a discount code or a discount of some type to order the full size from the companies. So I appreciate that. I love that this is caffeine free because this is a comforting cinnamon type thing for me in the evening. I may also like try this one as like putting some milk in it, maybe sweetening it up a little bit just to kind of see what that's like, make it more like a coffee. But also in the evenings, I really, I stop eating. It's an indirect fasting, a not super strict fasting, starting around 6:30ish in the evening. I had a friend suggest it, and she was correct. It does help me sleep. But I find, when I first started, I was really missing my teas. So I like that this has there's nothing in it. So it doesn't break my fast, so to speak. I really am going to love this. Oh, which one are we gonna try? I think we're gonna try this one because I really, really, really wanna try it with a splash of milk, and I wanna see, I'm gonna have it plain and then we're gonna add a splash of half and half because that's what I have. I don't have milk. I either have almond milk or half and half or heavy whipping cream. So I don't need this today, but these are fantastic. So let's go make this cup of tea very quickly. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm curious to see if there is a tea bag in here. Oh, there is. It just didn't feel like it initially. So here we go. Oh, look, it's one of those little sachets. I like that. You guys, I just love the scent. Okay, now, be right back. Oh, look at that. Nice and dark. Oh, I'm gonna love that. Oh, yes. Okay, let me try it. Okay, let's try it completely plain. These came from Target. Aren't they the cutest? I love them. If I can find them, I'll link them for you in the description box. Oh, that's so nice. Normally, I don't take my tea bag out of my tea. I just leave it in there. But we're gonna put a splash of milk in this so I can try that also, or excuse me, half and half. So I wanted to pull it out because I just felt like that was just a little weird. Oh, I really like that. Again, this is the British Breakfast, the perfect cup of round black tea bag, the Republic of Tea. I really, really like this. Okay, now, here's my milk, just a little splash. Bring this up here. Just a little bit. There we go. And I'm going to stir. You hear my cat. He is just having some serious opinions today. That's a different cat. Wow. You know what that does? It just adds some like thickness to it. That maybe doesn't sound appealing. It adds, what is the word I'm looking for? Some body to it, like it coats the tongue a little bit. I like that. See, that's one of the things I love about Sips By. You try different things, you learn you like something new, and then you have more to enjoy. Tea especially, you know, we read all the time about the benefits of tea and the ingredients in it, and the antioxidants and all of those things. Go grab yourself a subscription for Sips By. Either spoil yourself or it's great to give it as a gift. You deserve it. $15 a month. Your first box is $5 off with the code FAVOR5. And it's like 15 plus servings of tea. And like I said, you can double brew most of them, double steep most of them. I do all of them. Anyway, I hope you'll give it a try. I'll leave everything linked for you in the description box. Just click show more and you'll be able to go right, get all the information you need. I hope you'll subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, I hope you'll give it a thumbs up. Click the notification bell so you're sure to be notified when we upload new content. Thank you again for watching, and we will see you next time. Bye.